Very good morning, dear kids. Welcome to our English class. Once again, we are going to start our online classes after Diwali vacations. I hope all you have enjoyed a lot. Now, before start the lesson, let us see the warm up. Okay, we celebrate many festivals in our country. Which is your favorite festival? You know very well we celebrate many festivals. Which is your favorite festival? One of them. Why do you like it? And why do you like your favorite festival? You have to give the reason. Okay, write few lines about it. B question, guess the festival from these clues. Here given the clues, you have to guess. You have to guess the festival. Okay, first we play with colors on this day. We play with colors on this day. Okay, can you guess which is this festival? Yes, I know you know the answer. Which is the festival? Yes, correct. Holi. Holi is the festival. We use the colors and play with colors. Okay. Next, we keep gifts under a decorated tree. Can you guess? Yes. Which is this festival? Yes, Christmas Eve. Third, we decorate our houses with lamps and lights. Can you tell? Yes, you know the answer. This is the festival of lights. It's called Deepavali. 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 Next, we make a sweet called Sejuan. Sorry, Sevaya. Wear new clothes and pray at the mosque. Can you guess? Yes, this is the Eid. In this period, we enjoy a lot as well as we made sweet dishes, enjoy with your family members, and wear the new clothes. Okay, all the festivals we are enjoying. Okay, let us start now. We are going to learn a lesson. Happy Deepavali. Happy Deepavali. It is the festival of lights and lamps. Now read this story to find out how Rohan celebrates Deepavali with his family. How Rohan celebrates Deepavali with his family members. Rohan was playing chess with his father. Rohan was playing indoor game. Indoor game names here given chess. He heard his mother call him from the kitchen. He heard what he heard? His mother calling him from the kitchen. Rohan, can you come and help me clean the storeroom? Storeroom means a room. A room होता है to store extra things. We can keep our extra things that we can't use daily. That type of thing we can keep in storeroom. And she is calling, her mother is calling, Rohan, can you come and help me clean the room? Ask his mother. After we are done with the storeroom, I need you to help me clean your bedroom as well. After we done with the storeroom means after cleaning the storeroom, we have to do clean your bedroom. Who said this sentence? Who said? Rohan's mother said this sentence to Rohan. Once again, I am going to ask you a question. Who is calling to Rohan and why? Rohan's mother was calling to him and he need to help. She need to help to clean the storeroom. Okay. Next question. What was Rohan was playing with his father? Rohan was playing chess with his father. Okay. Let us continue. No, mom, today is Sunday. Please let me enjoy. But Rohan, we need to get the entire house clean in the next week. Don't you remember that Diwali is just 15 days away? Here, Rohan is telling, no, mom, today is Sunday. Yes, I have to enjoy. Please let me enjoy. Please let me enjoy. Don't, don't tell me any work. That means. But Rohan, we need to get entire house clean in the next week. Rohan's mother is telling we have to clean our house in next week. Don't you remember that Deepavali is just 15 years away? His mother is remembering to Rohan and telling him Deepavali is only how many days remain? Only 15 days remain to Deepavali. Aunt Simi and your cousins are coming to celebrate Deepavali with us. She is telling to Rohan, your aunt Simi and your cousins, they are coming to our home and celebrate Deepavali with us. Oh yes, how could Rohan have forgotten? Deepavali is just around the corner. Oh yes, who said this sentence? Rohan said. How could Rohan you have forgotten? Deepavali is just around the corner. And her mother is telling to Rohan, how could you, Rohan? How could Rohan have forgotten? How did you forget about Diwali? It's just around the corner. Corner means coming next. It was Rohan's most favorite festival, and Diwali is the Rohan's most favorite festival. He did not mind helping his parents, but he did not want to help. Did not mind means here he did not want to help his parents clean the whole house before Diwali. After the house was clean, it was painted with a fresh coat of paint every year. After cleaning the house, it was painted. The house was painted with a fresh coat of paint every year. Their house looked beautiful on the night of Diwali. And after the painting, the house was looking beautiful during the night of Diwali. Because of lighting and lamps, it's our home looks very beautiful, and it gives us happiness to everyone. So now I am going to ask once again the questions. Who is coming to Rohan's home to celebrate the Diwali? His aunt Simi and his cousins, they are coming to celebrate Diwali with them. Next question. Which is the favorite festival of Rohan? Rohan's favorite festival is Diwali. Okay, let us continue. Every year after the house was clean, Rohan's mother and grandmother started making sweets. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook and liked making all the sweets at home. After cleaning the house, after painting the house, Rohan's mother and grandmother, they both make sweet dishes at their home. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook. Rohan's grandmother was a great cook. Great cook means she knows the all dishes. It means great cook means here she knows the all dishes, all sweet dishes, and like making all sweet at home. And she like to make sweet dishes at home. They have been making lots of delicious items every Diwali. They have been making lots of delicious, lots of, not a, not not a bit of things, not a little of things they are making. They are making lots of delicious, means lot of delicious item every Diwali. Rohan's mouth started watering at the thought of delicious gulab jamun and gujiyas. Gujiyas is a means it's a dish that we would be eating in a few days. We would be eating. We will eat few days. It means. Now I am going to ask you a question. What did the Rohan's mother and grandmother was going to make after the cleaning the home? Rohan's mother and grandmother started or going to make sweets at home. Who is the great cook in their family? Rohan's grandmother was a great cook. Which thing they have made at their home? They made lots of delicious items every Diwali and delicious gulab jamuns and gujiyas. These things they made at their home. Next half of the lesson we will continue in the next topic, next video. Okay. So all of you have to read the lesson, write the new words in your notebook.